How to use picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can use picture-in-picture on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up settings in your device and then tap on apps. Tap on see all apps and then tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for YouTube. Tap on it. Once you get into app info piece of YouTube, scroll down a bit and under advanced option there is picture in picture. Tap on it and make sure you have turned on this toggle that says allow picture in picture. Once you have done it, now go back and then open up your YouTube application. After that, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. From here, tap on settings from the top right corner. Here, tap on genre. Here, scroll down a bit and look for the option that is picture in picture or allow picture in picture. But if you're not able to find that option, that means you don't have the premium version of YouTube. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to close this and then open up a browser in your device. Here I will open up the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, type in youtube.com and then search for it. Now you have to select a song that you would like to play. Once you select, now you have to set it to full screen. So after you have set it to full screen, you have to exit and then go back to your home page. And there you can see now the picture in picture on YouTube has been enabled, and you can have or drag this wherever you like to place it. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.